To protect VI scripting operations when the plugin execution VI runs, LabVIEW calls the Unset Busy VI to disable the mouse. After the plugin execution VI runs, LabVIEW calls the Unset Busy VI to enable the mouse. We can instruct LabVIEW to automatically wrap our scripting operations in an undoable transaction by using this transaction control of the build VI. We can instruct LabVIEW not to control transactions in the build VI so that we manage our own transactions in the plugin execution VI. If LabVIEW automatically creates the transaction, that is the first option, then in the execute plugin VI, we have to configure the fail transaction output of the plugin execution VI to return true. This should be true and passed on logically if this VI does not run successfully.